It's not a trendy thing. It is the truth, right? And we've seen it time and time again. So force is mass timed acceleration. Y'all have probably seen these crazy videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform that you look at these things where they just pretzel people, they twist and pull really, really hard, right? So I don't have to, with traditional chiropractic care, you have to bring people to tension, put their bodies in specific positions. People call that pretzeling. And then I have to use a heavy body weight or heavy mass because my hand's going to come through at a slow speed.